My name is Vince Horiyuchi and I'm a professional breaking teacher. I go into public elementary schools and I teach the art of breaking, more popularly known as breakdancing. On a daily basis, I'm typically teaching for anywhere from 5 to 6 hours, and when I get home, I'm training for another 3 hours. So if you can imagine, my day is pretty active. For me, sleep is one of the most important ingredients to recovery. If I don't sleep well, I don't perform well. I'm not mentally focused, and essentially I can't do my job as well as I should. Finding a quality mattress isn't just about added comfort, it's about finding something that will allow me to get a good night's sleep and essentially do my job better. Which is the main reason why I chose Bboy Mattress. It is a quality mattress that doesn't have a crazy price tag. It's reasonably priced, and I can honestly say this is the most comfortable mattress I've ever slept on. I go to bed feeling nice and comfortable. I wake up feeling refreshed. I'm not tossing and turning at night. I'm not overheating. It offers a lot of support for my back, and especially like when I'm super sore, it really just allows me to just lay back, feel relaxed, and actually just fall asleep right away. When I was younger, I had the most terrible hand-me-down mattress. This mattress had lumps in it, it had a sinkhole. It sometimes would creak every time you move, and it pretty much would keep me up all night. So I found myself spending countless dollars on doctor visits, chiropractic adjustment, massages, things that easily could have been prevented if I just had a decent mattress. At one point in my life, I was sleeping on a Tempur-Pedic mattress and I found myself overheating at night because I was just sinking into it. This mattress actually offers a lot of cooling features that makes it so your body doesn't overheat at night, which is something that is actually really important to me because that's one of the reasons why I would wake up at night. So with that said, make sure you guys go to bboymattress.com and start not only sleeping better, but living better.